Hey guys, so long time no see. I decided to do a Vlogmas week 2 just because throughout this past week I really did not film much. As you're gonna see, they're just little clips like of 3 days, to be honest, because I really kind of chose to just step back and just relax a little bit. I had like really bad dermatitis breakouts on my legs and on my arms, and I didn't feel very well, so I kind of chose to just take a step back and relax. And then I didn't go to work because obviously I wasn't feeling well. I'm actually gonna do like a self-care video for when you're not feeling like, you know, the best. For me, I literally was like smothered in cortisone cream. Dermatitis is like eczema, by the way. But yeah, I'm probably gonna upload like a self-care video next week on that. Anyways, welcome back to Vlogmas. This one's gonna be week number 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and enjoy the video. You're not there anymore.
Happy birthday, Tita. This is Tita, isn't it?
Alexis,
Tito.
That's a personal. For real.
Tita?
No.
Muchos se quedan en casa y dicen, oh, me voy a llevar mi casa.
Sí, mucha gente dice, por lo que lo iba a ir a gastar.
Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Tita. Happy birthday to you. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a quick and easy fajita recipe. I'm just gonna make chicken fajitas. The onion's already sliced and it's in this bag. Just so I can use it in a bit. And then we have our bell peppers. And here we have our chicken. I already seasoned it, totally forgot, but definitely add some seasoning and add some pepper. That's what I add to my chicken for flavor. So I kind of let that cook. This is the most important ingredient that we're going to use for our fajitas, and it's the I love Lori's. That's my favorite seasoning ever, like for my chicken and stuff. It's this. It says mesquite with lime juice, and it's super good. It's supposed to be a marinade, and yeah, this is what I add for my fajitas. I've used the steakhouse one too with my chicken for the fajitas, and it's still equally as yummy, but this one's always the one that I kind of got used to using first. This is what my bell peppers and onions look like. They're just all sliced in here. Again, I washed my hands already, guys. But yeah, basically sliced up and ready to go in our pot. So what I do here, so basically I'm gonna go ahead and add it to our chicken. Just all of it, guys, throw it all in. Okay, our next step is basically we're gonna add our mesquite marinade, just a bit. And then I usually make it with rice, so I'm making rice on the side. I either do white rice or garlic rice, but I'm making white rice today just to save some time. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and mix it around. You can add honestly any kind of marinade that you like, but I think this one's the one that gives it more of the fajita flavor that you would get at a restaurant. It's super yummy. And so I'm gonna mix it around to make sure the sauce gets evenly coated on our chicken and our veggies as well. Okay, so our next step, we're just going to cover it. I like to leave it a little bit open just so like the vapor can come out and your veggies get tender a lot faster. And you know the fajitas are ready whenever you poke your fork in it and everything's super tender. The chicken's tender and the veggies are tender with no crunch. And yeah, I'm going to leave it like this for about 10 to 15 minutes, I think. I'll let you know how long I had to wait. Here are our chicken fajitas, guys. They smell so good. I definitely recommend trying it. So you guys saw how easy and how fast that was to really cook it. So for all you busy people out there trying to look for lunch or dinner ideas, I highly recommend this one. It's so easy and super yummy. So we're currently at Five Below. Guys, they have so much cute things. I was gonna buy stuff for my little cousins. And I'm gonna also look for things for our Christmas games.
Trying to find something that's good for the Christmas thing.
Do you want to get like a pair of earphones, a tech thing?
Should I?
I mean, yeah. Guys, everything's literally under $5 or $5. What happened?
You think people will wear it because it says wire? These are wires.
I don't know. I mean, I still use wired. Well, no, actually, why use both?
Oh, why is this one? Okay, why is this only $5 and it's like Bluetooth?
These are cute. They're wireless and wired, honey. And I feel like these are like the color anyone can really use them.
But I'm scared they're gonna suck. I'll still get somebody's photo.
So Karina joined us.
I just rat. What? We just bullied Fatima on Instagram.
Can you explain them why? Explain them why? We're at Ross, guys.
We're in Disneyland. Look at our line.
That's not.
You're very summery. I'm cold and single. I'm very summery. Okay, well you're very not winter.
Thank you guys so much for watching this Vlogmas video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.